Hey guys, today gonna show y'all some optimization in this game engine. As y'all can see, it's fully optimized for people that are making games, and you have the option to cap frames and more. And also, the storage is only gonna take up more from the game, not the engine. And also, we added light mode. And you can customize the editor looks. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and join our Discord server for public testing, and also feedback. And also, there is a lot of stuff that I haven't really showed y'all anyways. Bye guys.